I got this battery from AliExpress. It costed me like 500 rupees per battery. Actually very cheap compared to original GoPro batteries. And the battery capacity is more than original GoPro batteries. And it comes with a display indicating how much the battery has charged, and that's really cool. And when I removed the battery in the first position, the charging stopped, and when I removed second battery, the second charging display stopped. So it works fine. Now let's check these batteries if they work in GoPro Hero 5 or Hero 6. I've read in many blogs saying that China-made batteries won't work with GoPro Hero 5 or GoPro Hero 6. Let's see. That's the original GoPro battery. Now I'll check these China batteries in my GoPro Hero 5.